Hi everyone, I'm Ferd and welcome to my video. Today I'm working on a Miller Trailblazer welder. It's ran by a 27 horsepower Kohler engine and the engine's not starting. It tries to, but it backfires and sputs through the carburetor. We're going to check the three main things that make an engine run: compression, spark, and fuel. Let's see if that helps us figure out what's wrong with this engine. This was an easy day at the office, an easy fix. Enjoy the video. Okay, we're working on the Miller generator. According to what I was told, the choke plate's flapping on it, backfiring. Let's get the cover off of it. See what's wrong with this motor. These things get beat to death, man. Gotta take the gas cap off. Get this off of here. And there's our motor. The first thing I'm gonna do, get these plugs out of there and do a compression test. I tried starting it. It tried to start, it popped, and then it stopped. I don't see any gas in the gas filter. You ain't got a drop of gas in it. Sling blade. Did you put any gas in it? All right, let's see what we got here. $150. $150. Let's check the spark on it. And it sounded like I'm going to have to charge that battery up. Let's see if she sparks. That side's got a spark. And that side's got a spark. I'm going to start this thing up, see what's going on. It's got spark, it's got compression. It has to be a fuel problem. Let's check it out. Somehow, doesn't surprise me. Not with these guys over there. But you can see the choke plate is bent. This little part of the choke over here is bent. Get that plate out of there. See if I can flatten that thing back down. But I'm going to take this plate off, pull this choke off of there, get this thing running, and see if there might be some other kind of problem going on with it. This may be jammed up. We'll have to take a look at that. Let's start this thing up, see what happens. It may have enough gas in it. This thing may have a blown head gasket. I don't understand why it's got 150 pounds of pressure. Okay, let's pull the valve covers. There's where all the popping's coming from. Let me take that off there, see if it bent the push rod. Okay, everything looks okay. This, I rolled it on a flat surface and it's not bent. So just gonna put it back on there. It's hard to say how that happened. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna get a torque wrench on there and torque them down. Let me go see what the specs are. It's got me an old body hammer, piece of steel, and we're just going to flatten it out. Now this thing, hopefully it doesn't break. That's my only fear. We'll give that a shot. Make sure those are nice and tight, snug. Don't over tighten them, because the last thing you want to happen is for those to fall down inside the engine. And you can see how the spring's working on it. So this thing is ready to go. I found this little black cap, and I now know where it goes. It was laying right down in here. This goes right over top of that. Snaps on there. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some good information out of it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out. Got a lot of videos up there. I got a lot more coming. This was the second of 2 Miller welders that I worked on that day. Both of them, believe it or not, were real easy fixes. Hit that notification bell, get notified as soon as I put that other one up there. You'll love it. Stay safe in the shop, wear all your safety gear, have well ventilation when you're running engines in there, and have fun. Thanks for watching.